First of all, we have to do search Bing website on Google. After doing search, we will open Image Creator. We will open link in new tab. The Images Creator page will open. We will write on prompt to create a product manipulation images, and this prompt available in description. First we will copy the prompt, and after past Ctrl+V prompt.to create the images. We will click on the Create button. Till the time the image is being created, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. To view the image, click on the image and then click on the arrow to view the next image. You will download the image by clicking on the download button and then click to preview images. We'll copy and paste Ctrl+V the prompt again to create the product manipulation image. Click to create button here. Those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Again, to view the image, click on the image and then click on the arrow to view the next image. Click to download button here. And then click to preview image. I have already opened Photoshop. Then go to File and select Place Embedded. We will open the product image created inside Photoshop. Add a background color and click to open solid color and background. Then OK. After add background, we will save as the file JPG. After we'll search Adobe Firefly on Google. Now open Adobe Firefly link, open right click, open link in new tab. We'll sing into Firefly first. Click to get Firefly free, click to generative fill. Click to upload image and we'll upload the image on which we have added the background. Zoom out, press the Ctrl+. Select the remove tool. After remove the black background. Again select the insert tool. Click to generate button here. 3 images have been expended to us, from which you can choose the one you like. Our background has been expend and looks so amazing. After downloading the image, you have to click on Continue Download Image. Simple click to view image. We'll open the image on which watermark visible. As you see, watermark is visible. To remove it, open Photoshop and remove the watermark. Zoom in. Select the remove tool. And create a duplicate layer, Ctrl+J, CMD+J. Remove tool using just like a paint. Remove watermark. That's it. Select zoom tool and fit on screen. Before and after. This file save as on JPG. Then OK. If you like this video, then please love my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment and don't forget press the bell icon so that the upcoming new videos can reach you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.